So basta yun, medyo mahaba na eh. Parang nag-overstay na nga yung parang buffer. No? That's why yung mga nasa upper ups.
That the strength to stand alone. There's the strength to make a stand.
Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if... Get back up in here! Yeah, I can fight too!
Turn! Come down here and face me!
No! It was an honorable challenge. You've earned your life today.
With all those machines they were riding.
The rebels were riding bristlebacks. And there were bristlebacks in the Daunt.
Are you saying the rebels let them into the Daunt?
BFF kayo Dito, mga kupal. Ba't sa zero interest? Merong zero interest? Ano SP? Ba't may SP yung HK? Addict to si Migs. HK, anong HK to si...
So the vanguards came through here?
Yeah, just a bit ago. Down that bristleback, headed south. But then those scroungers showed up to carve the carcass, as they do.
Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can...
Yan. Kung halimbawa it's something siya na parang ganito example. 'Di ba recently may mga balita about Nintendo.
Sirado yun.
Go. $45, huh?
Oh, parang gusto ko mag Snake Eater ito. Kaya lang Snake Eater tayo mamaya.
I don't know, 5,000 pesos or 4,000 pesos. And then nakasulat lang doon, you're just renting it. 'Di ba? Parang ikaw mapaisip ka, parang this is too much for a rent.
Thank you, Hoderick.
Don't be a stranger now. Come back whenever you'd like to spar again.
Ako pa nang kunin yung handgun ko. Kita yung G-string niya. Hindi kita dito yan.
Are you crazy? Yeah, should still be some up top, but you'll need these fuses. Are you crazy? You can't move, and I'm not leaving you here.
Arcades and video game consoles and digitization, tama ba? Digitization of print
naked, just as your name implies.
Great. Now I see why you asked me if I like snakes. I suppose calling me Snake was your idea of a joke, too.
No, there's a good reason for that. I'll tell you later.
Appropriate to my contributions to this.
I cleared out all the bristlebacks.
Oh, you did?
Now that you've recovered from your shock, time to blow the whistle.
Oh, there, not so.
safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first, and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
That is the line between East and West. Cross it and die.
Hold on now. Let's take it easy.
None may walk this valley until our signals.
Kung ano ba yung nagustuhan mo at ano ba yung parang potential of that game. 'Di ba? Kasi parang sa panahon kasi ngayon, ang dali mag-swayed ng tao. 'Di ba? Especially kung
It's fast. Estimated airspeed exceeding Mach 3. Bearing south. I'm about to lose it.
Colonel Vogan.
Welcome to my country. And to my unit.
very unfair. 'Di ba? Gusto mo lang naman masubukan, eh. Gusto mo lang ma-try eh. 'Di ba? Magkaroon na parang nostalgia trip dun sa game na 'yon na parang very ano siya. Yung iba diyan scalper, yung iba diyan legit na collector. No? Which is actually very appropriate din dito sa ating topic at hand, no? Ganun talaga daw Cloud kahit daw sa work. Oh, sabi
performance and outcome affect the fate of it. Ay, nakuha ko na to. I mean, that's with girls my age. And the nurses are very nice to me.
Thank the Forge you showed up. Tripwires.
Anyway, right now, I'm just worried about those refugees out from Sunfall. To come all this way enduring Forge knows what.
Shadow Carja refugees.
Everything I've achieved, I've done on my own.
And where is this hammer now?
The burden of leadership forced me to set it aside. The Carja risk.
Yes, no? Pero ngayon pag sinabihan kang norm, parang shit. No, parang lahat eh. Wait lang guys ah. Share lang ako. And then mag-start na tayo doon sa topic talaga, promise.
Excellent. A great success.
What's the matter?
I don't know you well enough to trust you.
How well do you have to know?
In garden. Buhay pa ba si Bobby? Buhay pa yun, sir. Hindi lang siya makapag-stream kasi may problema ata yung PC.
Alam mo yun, ina-emphasize ko lang yung parang ano yung parang pinaka core details. And then from that core detail,
Coming here made me realize something. Half of what I'd been told was a complete and utter lie. The other half was a conveniently constructed lie.
Where's the truth then?
para umuugong o nagwi-whistle daw yung mic mo. Hello, hello? Nag-ano ba? Baka pili ko dahil kay Claudie. ang thinking dati is that kapag nag-work ka, kailangan mo talaga mag-work. Yung parang tipong kahit anong oras, no, kahit anong
Dami man yung nagpapanggap na multo. Sa akin yung cradle. Saan ba nakita yung kanina? Hindi pa tinutok na maayos.
Until I can have a new one forged, you'd likely find one in a scrounger pile. If you follow the river to the northeast. Don't worry, I'll clean it first. You'll have no issue finding boars and bitter leaf on your way. Assuming...
Huh? Who's that?
Hadouken.
Parang Star Wars themed nila. Yun, okay siya, no? Pero parang kung sasabihin mo na sobrang sulit niya, hindi ko mag-gauge eh. Parang feeling ko hindi eh. No, for that time no.
Hindi pwede kunan. Di ba ano to? Oh, daming points na. 500k yung points na naipon. Sino kaya to? Si Madoka siguro to.
Defector, you're going to nuke your fellow Russians?
Remember the Alamo.
Colonel!
Parang in-expose mo yung source code eh. So medyo may ano siya ng copyright. Pero kahit sabihin na natin yung X na lang mismo itself since yun yung build, 'di ba? And
Uy, yun, nakasukidal, oh.
About 2 years ago, a certain Soviet scientist requested asylum in the West through one of our moles. His name is Nikolai Stepanovich Sokolov.
Famous waffle. Yun, ganun lang siya. Parang pag kinonvert mo in peso yung binili mo, 500 pesos. No, may ano lang siya, may mukhang Mickey Mouse lang siya.
Oo naman, syempre. Maraming ano, maraming magiging award yun. Pero sa music pa lang nun, saka sa ano.
Has agreed to personally pay every worker their lost wages.
Yeah!
That's more like it.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Don't you have an embassy to get to?
Yeah.
of picture natin tong platform. And since we bought, no, binili natin yung game do sa platform na to, so dapat eligible tayo to ano daw, Giveris daw malapit nang mag-verbal yan. Sa Metaphor daw, yan ang central team, governance. Ay, gusto ko yan. Gaya nito, kay Sony, na gumawa sila ng sarili ng blockchain. Ibig sabihin, sila yung owner, sila yung may-ari ng, sila yung stakeholder nung blockchain.
Bridge. How to drop the other side.
Tell me she's my enemy?
Enough. Hurry to the factory where Adam is waiting. Scouts have probably already been sent out to investigate the explosion. You've lost your weapon, right? That means you've got no chance of winning in a battle.
Yun yun, marami, no? Yung games, yung hardware, yung mga specialized machines, di ba? Even yung magazine, yun yung mga kailangan natin i-prepare. Dyan, siguro maybe yung Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Kasi ako personally, I enjoy the game. Nagustuhan ko yung game. Promise. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit.
And tell him.
And syempre, responsibility wise, 'di ba? Yun yung nananaig ika nga. So
You mean the one where the US agreed to remove its IRBMs from Turkey?
You mean the one?
The Jupiter IRBMs deployed in
Hirap
Turkey
gayahin
are
ang boss ni
obsolete.
David Hayter po.
We were going to get rid of them anyway.